Yo, what's up guys? Psycho here. How y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. This is a bit of a random video, but you know, that's what my whole channel is about, essentially. Whatever I find cool in the moment, I'll just post, and you know, if someone enjoys it, cool, neat. But yeah, I'm a bit tired, so pardon if I slur my speech a little bit. But anyway, so this is my, I'm in my bedroom. Yeah, this is my PC setup. My PC's on its side because yeah, my room is a mess, but temporarily it is a mess. It will get better eventually. But I recently got these keycaps for my keyboard. I have a 65% or 60% keyboard, so it means 60% of the full, like 105 keys or whatever, instead of, the standard, keyboard. This is like the smallest, I'm pretty sure. Although I think I've seen like smaller ones, but I don't know. But this is a pretty small keyboard. This is a Durgod Venus keyboard. Durgod is a pretty good keyboard brand. I have the Gateron Brown switches. So they're lighter switches. You don't have to put much force on pressing them. When I bought this keyboard, I didn't really know much about switches. I just wanted a mechanical keyboard because I was so used to like a membrane, shitty keyboard. Even though I am a simple guy, I really don't care what the fuck kind of, keyboard I have in front of me. If it functions, I'll use it for playing games and shit, I'm not a typer. I'm a one hand, one finger typer. Normally, I do this still. Yeah, I never really was taught in school really how to type correctly. I like for like a month back in like 6th grade, I had like a class where, like typing class or computer class or whatever, and there was this like game on the computers that, it would kind of teach you how to type with, 2 hands, like the normal fashioned way. But I'm a slow learner, and I only was in that school for like not even a whole year. And yeah, that's a long story, and that's another story for another time. But anyway, yeah, this keyboard is pretty cool. It came with black keycaps, which I don't mind black. As you can see, I got a black microphone, black desk, black mouse pad, black mouse, black PC case. A lot of this stuff in here are black. I just like the way it looks. Although I wanted to switch it up a little bit. I'm very, I have a comfort zone. I'm very much like, oh, I'll just stick to, what I always get. So I was like trying to switch it up, and I had like $6 in my Cash App at the time, and I saw this thing on eBay. I'll pull it up, and it's still available for people to buy, and they have different colors too. That's pretty cool. I'll show you right here. Oh no, spyware detected. How about fuck right off, please? Thank you. But this is it. 104 pieces, mechanical keyboard keycap set, OEM backlit, 2-color ABS purple keycap. Don't know why it says purple. You can get a purple and pink right there and stuff, but there's a shit ton of options, as you can see in the photos. There's red and yellow, white and blue, and they're backlit too, which, as you can see, mine are nicely backlit. I have my lights kind of down all the way because I have sensitive eyes. But white and purple, you got black and light blue, orange and blue if you want that look. That looks weird though, in my opinion. White and light blue, blue and yellow, the list goes on. And you get them for under $6. Not, including taxes and stuff. It's probably going to be a little over $6, but $6 for these 104 pieces. So I have more than what I'm showing here, of course, but because mine is a 60% keyboard, I didn't need all the keycaps, of course, you know. So, but yeah. And the only catch is that they're not in a tray. They don't come shipped in a plastic tray. They're just in a bag. I'll show you kind of how they came in. This bag right here. These are my old ones paired up with the new ones I got that I currently don't need. So they're rattling like a big bag of Legos. So, you know, they might be a little nicked. However, you have to look very close at them to even see, you know, some scuffs. And they're very durable. But for $6, $6, like, I can't think of another way of getting a full set of keycaps for even double that price. Okay, you might be able to for $12, but for $6, I can't think of anything else, really. So I'm just making this video trying to just say, hey, if you have $6 and you want to upgrade, you know, your keyboard with some new colors, some new keycaps, go with these. I'll put the link in my video description. And oh my god, it's not just normal black, because again, this keyboard originally came with just black, so it looked nice, but it was just plain. So to switch it up, you get white and gray, you know, and the light purple. Well, in person it's like a light blue. Looks like an icicle rink almost. Looks nice. I like it. So yeah, there's not really much to say other than for $6, you get so much for $6, man. You even get a keycap puller, so then when you get them, you can pull your current ones off and then plop these new ones in. And yeah, they just have a lot of options, and most of them are available. Not all of them are available, at least at the time of recording this video. Ooh, that looks nice. The white and red. I'm not even a red guy. I don't know what that meant, but yeah, that looks nice too. I like these. I like some of these looks. I was gonna get that originally, but I like more gray than white, so I thought, you know, this looked better. But who knows? I might switch it up if I get another $6. But yeah. Been recording for 8 minutes, so I think I'm gonna end the video. Sorry for blabbering on, and sorry for not editing this video at all. So if you sat through this whole 8-minute video, I don't know why you would, but thank you for doing so. And yeah, I recommend at least these currently at the moment, and they sound good and they're good quality. And looking at the keycaps that I had originally, like the black ones, they're like the same quality. So, I mean, you're not losing any quality in my opinion. It's just they don't come in a tray. You only get them in a loose bag. At least I did. So, that's the only catch. And because they're coming from China, you will have to wait a little bit longer to get them. So if you're impatient, you know, then shell out some more money then on something that's located in your area so you get them quicker. But good deal. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and yeah, love ya.